Hey guys, welcome to this quick screen recording. I just want to show super quick how to get a layered Photoshop document that maybe have multiple variations to send to a client, such as these lighting variations along with the original set, and also tie in maybe another document that has some costume variations. Now the key to this is getting everything onto a singular document and also using your layer comps. So I'm going to jump back to my set design here. I'm going to go to Window and open up Layer Comps. Layer Comps are going to remember the state of your layers as they are when you first create the layer comps. So here's my layer comp here. I'm just going to go, great, there's one there. I'm not going to even bother about naming these for now because they are going to be sent into a PDF. So I'm just going to go, okay, there's one state, there's another state, let's create that. And there's the third state, great. I'm going to jump now to my costume design, and I want to get all of these, which are singular layers, into a single page for exporting. So a few ways of doing that. One would be to shift select all those, right click, go to merge layers. That's going to push that down to a single image. Another way of doing this would be, if I wanted to keep these individual layers, would be to shift select all of those, duplicate them all, then repeat, right click, merge layers, and that way I have a flattened layer along with the individual layers underneath. The third way, just going to step back from there, is my more preferred way, which is new empty layer and then Alt Control Shift and E. So I'm just going to bring that up as a text layer, Alt Control Shift and the letter E. I'm just going to press those now. And that has now placed all of those into a single layer. Now with my Move tool, I'm going to drag that over and drop that into my document. If it is a different working space, it will come up with a warning, but just hit OK. And there, that is there. So Control T, transform, place that as required. If you want to add a background to that, do it. Add a new layer, drop in a color, something like that. Bring up your layer comps again. I've just turned mine off, but they should still be there. And press for a new layer comp. Lovely. If you wish, you can add a cover page. Can add a nice professional thing, or even a credits page, or anything like that. New layer comp. Great. And in a pretty short amount of time, we have all these variations ready to be sent out. Now, to send these out, we simply go to File, Export, Layer Comps to PDF. Find yourself a location for this and give it a title. So I'm going to call this a set 3 underscore A and press save. There's a few options here, but I'm just going to skip that and press run. Give a few moments while it cycles through, and it should eventually come up saying layer comps to PDF was successful. Great. I'm going to find that folder. There it is there. Assessment 3 underscore A PDF. 6.9 meg. Don't forget to check the sizing there. You can go to Get Info or right click and check the properties. I'm going to reduce the file size of that. I'm going to right click open with Adobe Acrobat. Make sure it's Acrobat, not Reader. Adobe Acrobat Reader. I'm going to say it's going to try to put it in full screen. I'm just going to go no. I'm going to change the view mode quickly. Something I like to do. View, page display, enable scrolling, and just zoom out a little bit. This gives me a scrolling image of my document. Now, I want to change the order of this, so I'm going to go to Tools, Organize Pages, and this is going to allow me to simply drag my images in order. You can rotate and delete them. You can insert as well. Now, to reduce the size, I'm going to go to Tool, scroll down to Optimize PDF, and then I'm going to go to Reduce File Size. Once again, it's going to say where to save it to. I'm going to drop it in here, and I'm simply just going to hit Save. It's going to ask me if I want to replace that. I'm going to go Yes. If it does come up with a warning or say it's already at the maximum, do try and do that again. So go, if it's not already there, Optimize PDF, reduce file size, find the file, and change the name, and then press save. And that should give you the thing where it'll actually reduce the file size. Let's jump back into that folder. There it is. A is 6.9 meg, B is 1 meg or under, and that should be ready to email to someone, nice and minimal size, and ready to go.